Hey friends, the weather is getting chilly and that means my favorite, hot chocolate. So for today's project, I am making a hot cocoa tray. I have this wood tray that I built and I'm going to give it a quick coat of wax just to help protect my transfer since it is brand new, and you can see it's a very large transfer with lots of different pieces. I'm going to be using those pieces on future projects, but for now I'm just going to focus on this large main piece at the top. And make sure you mark the back of your backer paper, especially when you have a transfer that has lots of different pieces, and that way when you wash your transfer you know what transfer goes with what piece. So once I've fuzzed my transfer, I'm just going to put it on my surface, and then I'm going to grab some chalk paste. I grabbed some candy apple red, I grabbed a green and a brown, and then I got to chalking. This tray turned out so cute. I am so happy with this. I think it would also be fun to use alternative colors, say like maybe Couture teal and maybe a pink and a red. I love using those colors during the holidays too. So I'm definitely going to play with different colors on making these trays. So the only thing left was to add some handles. I also did do a quick spray seal on this to help protect the tray. And you can see here I also created another tray that was painted in a dark charcoal color, and I love how the paste pops on that one. Can't figure out which one is my favorite. Let me know what you think in the comments, and also make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.